Good morning, Smitha. We know we don't just bring you the news. We try to be a good neighbor in the community, and what better way to do that than to partner up with First Merit Bank and Detroit's Institute for Population Health and providing free immunizations at the Charles H. Wright Museum of African American History today from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. All of this going down behind me. Quite a bit of a setup, the Healthy Living for Kids. You've heard my colleague Carolyn Clifford talking about it all month long. She's been on your TV. She's invited you to come out here, and we're talking about free immunizations and an opportunity for your kids to come out here and get. We're talking about kids ages 3 months and older, given free immunizations against a variety of diseases, including polio, rubella, measles, mumps, chickenpox, diphtheria, whooping cough, and hepatitis B. And you know, the best part about this isn't that it's just free, but registered nurses from the Detroit Institute of Population Health will administer these shots. And if you missed my earlier live shot at 8 a.m., Jane Nickert, an early intervention manager, will be administering lead testing to your children up to 7 years of age to ensure that they're not suffering from any complications of lead poisoning. All of this, of course, taking place at 10 a.m. The information on your screen right now for you. Again, all of this happening at the Charles H. Wright Museum of African American History, part of our opportunity to take care of you guys, because, you know, we don't just want to bring you the news. We want to help you and better the community by taking action and helping you boost your immune system and your child's immune system. And the best part of this, Malcolm and Smitha and all of you at home, take a listen to this. It's free, one. Two, it's open to anybody, not just residents of Detroit, not just residents of Walled Lake. Come out here. I mean, Royal Oak, Birmingham, Troy, Warren, East Point, whatever, wherever you live. You have kids ages 3 months and older that need their immunizations. What better way to come down here to downtown Detroit, the Culture District, as I'm told, to get your free immunizations. Your Channel 7 family will be down here, and we'd love to meet you. We're live this morning in Detroit. I'm Nima Shafee, 7 Action News.